I mean, is it a product? Is it?
This is just like the thing in, remember in Puerto Rico at the pool, Samuel?
Get out there and it's still running because it's getting late in the day. But these are two pieces which are up on poles that you'll see. They take in solar energy and they can convert that to electricity that runs microprocessors and some motors, and they make sounds and they communicate with each other wirelessly. So they can do different types of movement and make different sounds. And when they choose what they're going to do next, they'll sometimes invite the other one to do the same thing with them, and the other one sometimes will say, okay. And so sometimes you'll see them doing the same thing at the same time. Other times you'll see them just doing their own thing. And so if you spend a little time with them, you start to see them doing, you know, they'll kind of talk back and forth. They make sounds back and forth to each other.
Artists, their first collaboration and really new kinds of thinking for them. Pieces are all made of wood, and if you look carefully, you'll see that each one is cut out in a different shape. That different shape will emit a different tonal sound, so that when you're walking through the forest and these are on trees, you'll hear these very little sort of subtle thumps as you're going through. It's really percussive and really sort of makes you think about the trees and that pathway in a different way. Again, they're solar activated, so you'll see these single cell solar units on the top.
Those things are powered, but they're solar powered, so that when
the stronger the light is, the faster you hear the.
Then when the mallet goes all the way up, it bangs against the thing. So it's a solar-powered gong.
Same.
You want me to nudge it?
Yeah, I can.
Why don't you
Maybe.
nudge it?
Yeah. If you
He's
can
gonna
hold
nudge
it.
it.
I will cheat because there's no wind,
There, that's a good idea.
and also, as far as the angles, under the same wind condition, they should move in the opposite direction. So I just found this to, this is so what I'm going to do is I will simulate the movement. So when we have a huge wind, it should expect something like that.
Here comes the wind.
Here comes the wind.
Here comes the wind.
All right. Oops, sorry. So if it's windy enough, the movement should be like this.
Vibrates depending on how much light there is.